Evolution is a mess. Forget claws and teeth, these weapons are just plain ridiculous. Number 5. The archerfish. Its big tactic is spitting water in your face to knock you down. It's basically a schoolyard bully with fins. Number 4. The velvet worm. It shoots glue out of its face to paralyze you. It's essentially a sentient, sticky sneeze. Gross. Number 3. The hairy frog. It intentionally breaks its own bones so they poke out like claws. That's not a defense, that's just pure masochism. Number 2. The cone snail. A pretty shell that fires a venomous harpoon at you. It's a death trap disguised as cheap bathroom decor. Number 1. The platypus. A duck with fur that has venomous spurs on its ankles. The world's most dangerous biological glitch. Nature definitely needs therapy.